So yesterday we talked about density, and you were given the equation density equals mass divided by volume. So if someone asks you, what's the density of this object, you're going to need to know two things. You're going to need to know what the mass is, and you're going to need to know what the volume is. If you have those two pieces of information, you should be able to calculate the density. So here's an example for you. If someone gave me an object that had a mass of 25 grams, and it had a volume of 5 cubic centimeters, now I can find the density. Density equals 25 grams divided by 5 cubic centimeters. So we know this line here means divide. 25 divided by 5 equals 5. But we cannot forget about the grams and the cubic centimeters. So we have grams per cubic centimeter. The density of this object here is 5 grams per cubic centimeter. Now that you've seen that example, I would like you on EduCreations to do this problem. I would like you to find the density of an object that has a mass of 36 grams and a volume of 4 cubic centimeters. Please find the density. When you have completed this problem on EduCreations, explaining your work as you go, bring it to the nearest teacher.
If you have not completed problem number 1, make sure it's completed on EduCreations and check with your teacher. The mass of this object is 420 grams. Its volume is equal to 42 cubic centimeters. What is its density?
Go ahead and pause now and complete this problem on EduCreations and bring it to the nearest teacher. All right, a reminder, if you have not completed question number 2 in EduCreations, you need to take it to your nearest teacher so that they can check it for you. All right, this is question number 3. If you have an object whose dimensions are 6 centimeters length, 2 centimeters height, and 4 centimeters width, remember that the way to find the volume of a rectangular prism is to multiply your dimensions, length times width times height. The mass of this object is equal to 336 grams. Find this object's density in your EduCreations and show it to your nearest teacher.
Remember, if you have not shown your last problem to a teacher, go ahead and exit out now and do that first. And if you're ready to continue, here you go. This Ironman cell phone case has a mass of 31.6 grams and a volume of 4.0 centimeters cubed. Find the density of the cell phone case, and on EduCreations, show your work and show a teacher.
For question number 5, you're going to need to report to Mrs. Sanchez's classroom And you will need to find the density of the object that is at the back of the classroom where that computer is located. Good luck. Make sure you put your answer in EduCreations, so you probably want to carry your baby with you. Put your answer in EduCreations and get that checked off by a teacher.